Hello po sa inyo lahat, my name is Marie ng Time to React at maligayang pagbabalik po dito sa aking channel. Ayan, 2024 na kaya magbibigay tayo ng reaction kahit medyo busy po tayo sa kasalukuyan at humihingi po ako ng pasensya sa lahat po ng mga nagmimensahe sa akin dahil hindi ko po kayo ma-replyan. So, pasensya na ho. At sa mga nagre-request din, pasensya na ho kayo dahil hindi ko po nahabol ang inyong mga request. Ngunit sa ngayon, susubukan natin na mag-react at magbigyan ng reaction ng Every Breath You Take na female version ng Franz Radam na original itong pinasikat ng The Police. Ayan, so kaya naman excited ako mapakinggan ito sila Chen, Ty France, Char, and of course si Duets dahil talagang medyo natagalan at na behind na po ako sa pagre-reaction. Kaya kung ikaw ay ready na, tara na. Oh. Umpisa pa lang. Oh my God. I love it. Ang galing. Gumagaling talaga sila.
Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you.
Grabe, napakasikat ng awiting ito, Every Breath You Take. Talagang sikat na sikat to. At ngayon sa kasalukuyan, talagang binigyan ng Franz Radam ng kanilang version ay talagang umpisa pa lang, napakagaling na talaga ng boses ni Char.
Every single day, and every word you say, every games you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
Grabe yung kalma lang siyang kumanta. Grabe, napakagaling. And of course, talaga sa banda, wow, perfect talaga.
You belong to me.
Galing, Master Chen.
But every step you take, every move you make,
Grabe, galing.
vow you break, every smile you fake, every flame you stake, I'll be watching you.
Ito yung namiss ko sa Franz Radam dahil talagang kapag sila ay kumanta, talagang, alam mo yung kalmado lang pero grabe yung impact sa ating mga audience. Napakaganda at napakasarap ng pakiramdam at kalmado lang. Talagang, wow, grabe. Galing Char.
Since you've gone,
Galing ni
I'm
Dudes.
lost without a trace. I dream at night I can only see your face.
Ay, God.
Run, but it's you I can't replace. Feel so cold and alone with your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby.
Woo! Hanip sa galing. Grabe, nakakaloka. Pero grabe. Dito ako na, wait lang. Galing, dudes! Namiss ko kayo. Grabe. Galing! Ganda ng smile. Grabe, napakasimple. Wow, napakalumanay at napakakalmado at kayang-kaya kang hilihin. Galing!
Can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a poor heartache with every step you take.
Angas?
Every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you.
Grabe no, ang angas ni Char. Talagang napakabahata pa nila. Of course, ni Chen, ni Dudes, and ni Char. Pero grabe, hanip sila sa galing. Napakahusay talaga at talagang masasabi mong sila ay talagang tinaguri ang napakahusay sa larangan ng musika. Ang galing, galing.
Every move you make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every walk.
Galing!
I'll be watching every single way.
Galing ni Master Chen! Typhon!
I'll be watching every move you make, every wall you break, every song you break. I'll be watching every breath you take, every
Wow!
move you make, every wall you break. I'll be watching every single way, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching you.
Woo! Grabe, grabe! Sobrang galing.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Love, love, love.
Ayun naman talaga, napakaganda ng version ng Franz Rhythm. Napakakalmado pero napakaganda. Grabe, ang swabe. Umpisa pa lang ni Char. Grabe, napakaganda. At napakaganda din talaga ng tunog ng banda. Grabe, napakahusay talaga ng Franz Rhythm. At ayun, so maraming salamat po sa mga nag-request nito na hindi ko agarang nabigyan ng reaction. Pero maraming salamat sa inyong pag-aantay at susubukan ko po na makapagbigay ulit ng reaction sa mga nag-request. Please, wag po kayong magsawang manood ng aking mga reaction video. At kung nagustuhan mo ang katulad ng content na to, please consider to subscribe my channel. And of course, puntahan niyo rin po ang Franz Rhythm na talagang umawit ng awiting version ng ito. At maraming salamat po sa inyong kanunay na pag-tune in sa akong channel. And I'm hoping na magkita-kita at sunod na atong mga reaction video. Ayun, so hanggang sa muli and mas salamat.